Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Monday, the 20th of May. Taking a look at the currencies this morning, we see the euro is rebounding after producing a 6-week low versus the US dollar on Friday. The single currency moved from 128.82 to 127.95 against the greenback, but has now climbed back to 128 and appears to be looking for a catalyst to break even higher. The US dollar advanced to a 4.5-year high against the Japanese yen at 103.29 over the past week. However, as the markets reopened this week, the pair took a hit and plunged as low as 101.98. It has managed to regain part of these losses and is now trading above 102.50. Looking at equities, the GER 30 is galloping higher, aiming to advance above 8500 in the near future. The German equity index has been defying economic developments in the troubled Eurozone region and has been recording seemingly uninterrupted high highs. The UK 100 is also on the rise, trading above 6700 and is looking bullish ahead of the Monetary Policy Committee meeting minutes due on Wednesday. Looking at commodities, gold is at a particularly important level after collapsing over the past week. The precious metal is now trading above 1340 US dollars an ounce, but a break below 1330 will open the way for even lower lows. Crude oil recorded a lower high on Friday at 96.72, touching a downtrend line formed by previous highs and is now trading lower. Nevertheless, it's still trading above 9570, a support level, and as long as this remains above this figure, a rebound is very likely. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 128.90 with a preference to enter into short positions at 128.90. The dollar-yen pivot points at 102.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.60. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 0.9705 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9705. The sterling dollar pivot points at 152.15 with a preference to enter into short positions at 152.15, and the dollar CAD pivot points at 102.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.50. Now looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 94.40 with a preference to enter into long positions at 94.40. The gold pivot points at 1370 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1370. The silver pivot points at 22.10 with a preference to enter into short positions at 22.10. The US 500 at 1575 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1575. And the UK 100 at 6640 with a preference to enter into long positions at 6640. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And there are no market movers today as it's Whit Monday in Europe, and in Canada it is Victoria Day bank holiday. And our pair of the day to start the week is the Aussie US dollar. The Australian dollar is rebounding against the US dollar after failing to break through the major resistance level at 0.97. The pair may trade sideways between 0.97 and 0.98 until it breaks above or below these levels. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great week.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.